Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
In the first level of the BadgeNow shipment, you will find the router, badge stock, and connection cables. In the lower level, you will find rental mobile devices, printers, and power cables. Connect the antennas to the main and aux port on the side of the router and face them in an upwards position. Connect the power adapter to the port in the back of the router and turn on the power switch. Allow the router a few minutes to boot up and connect to the wireless signal. A solid green modem LED signifies the modem has powered on the has-made connection, while 4 solid signals LED lights indicate the modem has the strongest wireless connection. Connect the power adapter to the power port on the back of the printer. Pull the 2 latches on the sides of the printer at the same time to open the top. Insert the badge stock through the back of the printer with the direction marks facing down to the front. Adjust the guides to the badge stock size and leave a 1/4 inch of paper extended beyond the lip and close the printer top. Connect an LAN cable from the printer to one of the 4 LAN ports on the router. Do not connect to the WAN port. Power the printer on and allow a few minutes for booting and for the printer to obtain an IP address from the router. When opening and closing the top, a printer paused message will appear on the screen. Press the pause button to unpause the printer and continue. Make sure to keep the mobile device connected to the router's Wi-Fi connection before setting up the Aventri Aloha app. Open the Aventri Aloha app on your mobile device. Select your region and log in using your Aventri credentials. Select the event that corresponds to the badge template and printer combination by tapping the white Sync Event button. Tap on Device Settings. Tap on Device Name and set up your device with a name, then tap on Apply. Tap on Device Location and give the device a location name, then tap on Add New Location. Tap on Printer Setup. If connecting to Zebra, the printer will be found on the same network. Tap on Via Wi-Fi, then tap on the printer's IP address once it is acquired. Go back and tap on the Admin Check-in button. Tap on any of the registrants to check in and tap on the Print badge to print out their name badge.